Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Due to high demands, inshallah, I'll be going through a very short, brief description of how the custom flight options work and how you can configure them at the moment. So, when you go into any package of ours, our HSR or any of the Sierra packages, some may have group flights, some may not have group flights. Those that do not have group flights, you are more than welcome to select a custom flight as shown here. Those that do have group flights, we do recommend as a first preference to go for the group flights because they're more of a guarantee and they're more of a, they hold you're able to configure it much more quicker and check out. Rather than if you're going for a GDS flight, a custom flight, you will need to customize it again on the day of purchasing. So no matter how many times you select your custom flight, it'll always need to be reconfigured again on the day of purchase. However, for group flight, it'll always be there. So we recommend group flight should be your first preference. If it's not possible for whatever reason, then there's always the custom flight option. So just going to show how it works. Simply click into it and go select a flight. Now over here there will be plenty of cities to choose from. However, it doesn't work the best. There is so many faults with these custom flights that we've seen in the past years. And I've just tried it just before as well. There's not many flights that show from Melbourne or Sydney, and even if there is, it is quite expensive and much more expensive than the group flights that are already offered. However, as an alternative, what we do recommend is picking a city that is close to Medina or Mecca, so something like Dubai, which will have plenty of options available that go in and out. So DXB would be the flight airport that you choose. And then this package, because it starts in Medina, I want to go to Medina first, which will be nice and simple and easier for me for the package. And then we finish in Mecca, so apart from Jeddah, again, we'll just book it to Dubai to make it simpler, make the process easier and not too expensive. And our package starts on the 18th of May. Dubai to Medina, it's a very short flight, so I can go there on that exact day. I'll go search flights. Like I said, you can do this with Melbourne and Sydney. It doesn't work too well. I have tried it. I haven't been able to find two flights that work and it just keeps logging me out. But you can use this Dubai option, which is much more closer and there'll be much more options available to choose from. So just for the sake of it, this one looks pretty good, landing at 4 p.m. in Medina. Just time for hotel check-in as well. I'll go for this one. Just as an example, we'll select this for now. Once you submit it through, it should take you saying, have like a little countdown, I believe. Yep, so we'll go for a little countdown. After that, it'll say the flights are configured and it'll take you straight back to your package transportation. Let's just say we select all this. Then we go next. Come to the end of the final details. Once you do that, you'll go save configurations. Keep in mind these flights, they may seem like they're there at the moment that I've selected my custom flights, that this is my total. However, on the day of purchase, they will need to be reconfigured again. So that's just basically how flights can be chosen. And then from Melbourne to Dubai or Sydney to Dubai or from wherever else in the world to Dubai, you can buy that from a different platform, making your way to Dubai earlier, maybe having a stay there as well. But as long as you make it in time for your flight from Dubai into Saudi, and then out of Saudi back to Dubai, you can organize flights separately. So Dubai will be the best option for your custom flights as there is many options available from that departing city. JazakAllahu khairan.